Knitting a hat or anything in the round on double-pointed needles is so hard. That's why we teach you to knit in the round the easy way on magic loop and practice on this super easy bulky hat project. We teach you the cast on, ribbing, tips and tricks, increases, how to do stripes, how to decrease, read your work so you don't have to think, and how to finish every step of this super easy bulky hat. Knitting your first hat in the round can be easy. You can learn to knit this great hat in the round with just one skein of chunky yarn and a couple of pairs of long circular needles. Learn to knit your first hat with confidence today. knitfreedom.com/success/myfirsthat.